I couldn't walk without a lot of pain. I couldn't golf. I couldn't go to my exercise classes at the Y. I was really unable to do anything.
So we custom placed the cup.
Dr. Rana said my hip had collapsed. Something had to be done. When I woke up from surgery, I had no pain.
A maniacal attention to detail in the surgery is what I think sets us apart. There's objective data that many times puts us in the top 1% of joint replacement hospitals in the United States from a performance point of view and below average cost. We're probably the best value in the United States. The satisfaction that comes from that is tremendous.
Notice how I can climb on these rocks? It's wonderful at my age to know that I can do these things. I went from all this excruciating pain to absolutely no pain. It was a miracle. And that's why I thank Dr. Rana for giving me my life back. We tell anybody who needs anything done, this is where you need to go.